Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to fix another new problem. It says fix Bluetooth headphones not connecting on your Linux. If you're using a Bluetooth headphone and if it's causing this problem, then we're going to go for 12 simple steps to solve this problem. And I will going to show you visualize image that can help you to understand what's going on into the not connecting issue. So let's start with the first image. So here what you have to do, you have to first check if Bluetooth is enabled. First simply type the first command Bluetooth thctl space show, and then you're going to get this kind of example output. If you get everything turned on, then it's good to go. Then we're going to make headphones discoverable. So for that, put your headphone in pairing mode or usually hold power or Bluetooth button until LED blink red or blue. So let's do these two methods. Then simply look forward to the third image to check if headphones are visible. Type Bluetooth CTL space devices and then simply see if the Bluetooth is visible. Then simply move forward to the fourth step to remove old or failed pairing. Simply type the command and then simply you can see the example output. And then after you have to simply replace the address like Bluetooth CTL space remove, type this command and rest of them will be the same. Then we're going to pair with headphones. Simply type Bluetooth CTL space pair, then simply type the ratio and you're going to get the pairing device. And after you can simply see you have to simply connect your headphones by simply typing this command, and then you have to trust headphones, type this command, and then this allows auto connection in future and set as audio device and type this command and it will going to set as audio device. This sets high quality audio, and then you can simply restart your Bluetooth service by simply typing this command, and then you can simply check and install codecs if needed. Type these two commands one by one, and then you can simply remove lockdown. So you're going to see this kind of command and play this run this command one by one, and to the final check, open the settings, look forward to the Bluetooth. Your headphone should show as a connected, play audio and test if it's perfectly worked or not. If it worked, then simply comment below. If it's not, then you can simply comment below too and share your problem. That can help me to make another video to solve your problem completely. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.